What's up, guys? Daniel here, tradecryptotime@gmail.com. Guys, the market is crashing. When the market's crashing, you gotta respect the market, guys. Like I mentioned before on my last video, Bitcoin will crash to $10,000, okay? Everybody knows, Trade Crypto members know I put my $3 million buy order right here around 10 grand, okay? And a lot of people are trying to blame this crash, blaming FTX. I don't think you can blame FTX because Bitcoin crashed. FTX is one of those single coins we talk about every single day here. We don't buy and hold it. Never hold a coin because cryptocurrency, anything can happen anytime. Take a look at how much this price crashed from 25 bucks up to $2. We talk about over 2,000% negative. It's ridiculous, man. So, like I mentioned before, don't worry, guys. I will let you know when you should buy and sell Bitcoin and the main cryptos, okay? The main cryptos. If you see here to the main cryptos, take a look at this chart, guys. This is Bitcoin right here, right? All those coins, they have exactly the same chart. Look how they similar are. Do you know why? Because all those coins, they follow Bitcoin. Bitcoin going down, all those coins go down. That's the reason we don't trade main cryptos, because usually main cryptos, they don't pump much. We only trade coins with high volume and volume spike. To be honest with you, I had this coin yesterday. I supposed to share in the private list. I didn't share this coin in the private list. The coin name is a Centivate, because this coin didn't provide me a buyer power enough to give me a confidence. I'm looking for coins with buyer power over 70% of the volume, okay? So the combination between volume spike plus buyer power, that's how we make so much money in this channel, because we trade pump, guys. Otherwise, you just stick with the strategy. The strategy right now is stay calm and relax. Don't get in the market because Bitcoin is crashing, and my prediction, if you check my last video, Bitcoin will crash for 10,000. People are blaming FTX for. I don't wanna blame FTX. I would say this is an organized move. People know Bitcoin will crash, and they sell FTX right here and blame Bitcoin for that. Okay. I've been doing this for 10 years. I don't fall on these traps. By the way, guys, like I mentioned before, this is strategy I don't share in the private list, but I will share this time a strategy to buy the dip. Okay, when the coin crash like that specific time, the coin provide you a buy order, and this coin can go up. I don't know, man. This is no price. This is no financial advice. This coin can go up almost 350%. Okay, but the crypto members, they know what is the buy order for FTX. I'm gonna make a second video sent to the private list about this coin. Overall, guys, you just keep watching here the market and see all this blood in the streets. You see all those coins. I have these coins as a day trader. I could send in the private list, but I didn't send those coins. You see, this coin provides 20%, 17%, 27%, 56%. We just talk about, because all has the same characteristic, guys. They didn't provide me a buyer power enough to give me a confidence to share this trade in the private list. Okay. Is that being said, I'd like to say welcome to our new members, Shad, Sam, Patricia, and Glauson. Okay, welcome. Overall, guys, that's how it's gonna be happen, man. FTX token, just mentioned about it, collapse 91%. Yeah, huge returns. Up both, collapse também 70%. Up both could be but I'll let you know when should buy and sell the main cryptos and Bitcoin. That's all I have to say. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day. By the way, guys, if you are watching this video, you want a new platform to trade, feel free to reach me out. tradecryptotime@gmail.com. Okay, gonna provide you this platform here. You can trade. You're gonna save $600 per year. You don't have to pay to buy TradeView. Costs $600. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.